Bluey and Bingo were bouncing on the couch when, ding, a little microphone rolled out from under the cushions, sparkling like a hidden treasure. Bingo gasped, "Let's sing," while Bluey picked it up proudly. "Tonight we're stars," her tail wagging with excitement. Mom peeked in, smiling, "Use your voices loud and strong," but the pups were already striking silly poses, pretending the living room was a giant stage. Bluey tapped the mic. "Test, test." The sound echoed, making Bingo squeal. "It really works," her paws clapping with delight. Every 5 seconds the fun grew wilder. Bluey sang a silly tune, Bingo squeaked back up, and even the couch shook like a dancing crowd. Suddenly, beep beep, Winton burst through the door, carrying a toy guitar, strumming wildly, "Let's rock," his ears bouncing with energy. Bluey cheered, "Our band is ready," while Bingo spun in circles, "I'll play tambourine," shaking a rattle until it buzzed with chaos. Then, boom, Dad marched in banging pots like drums, shouting, "Rock and roll," his goofy beat rattling the windows with surprise. Bluey laughed so hard she nearly dropped the mic, but she kept singing, her voice rising higher, braver, filling the room with confidence. Bingo squealed notes so sharp even the dog toys wobbled, while Winton howled low like a wolf, the mix strangely perfect like magic. Mom joined with claps, encore encore, her rhythm steady, her smile glowing as the house transformed into a concert hall of joy. Every moment added a new hook. Bluey danced with wild spins, Bingo tried opera notes, Winton fell off a pillow stage, Dad did a silly drum solo, and Mom twirled a scarf like a spotlight. The chaos turned to harmony, their voices blending, their laughter stronger, filling every corner with music. Bluey shouted, "We are the backyard stars," Bingo added, "Singing forever," Winton barked, "Best band in town," tails wagging in perfect time. The final song ended with a giant splash as Dad slipped, landing in a pile of cushions, making everyone howl with laughter. Bluey hugged the mic, panting, "Singing makes me brave," Bingo whispered, and "Silly," Winton barked, and loud, their hearts glowing with happiness. The camera zoomed close as Bluey grinned. If you loved our crazy concert, sing along with a like, tap subscribe, and join our next musical adventure. Bingo bowed dramatically, next time a duet, Winton strummed proudly, or a marching parade, and they all cheered with friendship.